Looking for a winning resume that will help you get more interviews and land you your dream job? Land your next role faster with a resume that gets you hired. A professionally written resume makes clients appear 7% more valuable to recruiters than DIY resumes with the same experience. ZipJob's leading career experts, writers, and advanced hiring technology have the insight to get your career to the next level. Their network of 100-plus resume writers offers expertise in every industry. ZipJob makes the resume writing process easy. Match with a writer. They'll ask you about your career goals and pair you with an experienced resume writer to help you get there. Approve your resume. They'll update your resume and make suggestions. Help them fill in the details. Work with your writer until your resume is just right. Get more interviews. Start sending out your new resume and watch your interview requests pour in. You'll get at least twice as many interviews within 60 days guaranteed. Triple your interviews, get hired faster, and maximize your income. Choose the resume writing plan that's right for you by clicking the link in the description below.